sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, man. So, am I gonna be working from my laptop, man, or
Yes,
what's the
yes.
case gonna be?
Brother, how are you?
Pretty good, man.
Uh, Thank you so much. At first, thank you so much for joining this meeting.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you, man. This truck life is terrible, man.
Okay, no problem, bro. No problem. I think you are very busy right now.
No, I'm free right now. I got a couple of hours, man. But the other days, like last week, I've been doing extra work, you know.
Oh, yeah. Okay, before starting meeting, I introduce myself shortly, okay?
Okay.
This is 𝐇𝐎𝐏𝐄 Shawon. I am from Bangladesh. I am professional digital marketer and YouTube video SEO specialist. Okay, I see your YouTube channel. Your content is very good, but there are lots of problem. Your video is not optimization, not SEO, not. And you uploaded video weekly 3 or 4 videos. Okay, and
Right.
when you upload your video at the same time, every day you same time upload your video on the channel. Okay. Okay, I can share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
You can see my screen.
Yeah. I could see it, man.
Okay. At first, you open your YouTube channel. Okay. Then you click. Then you click YouTube logo. YouTube logo. You can see YouTube logo. I will try mark. You can see your logo. Okay. Here. Click here. You click here. Then I click here. After that, you go to YouTube Studio. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
YouTube Studio, and then just you can see setting option. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I click setting option. Then you see others interface and permission. You click permission, and then you click invite.